not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hi guys, let's build the USS Franklin and the Soviet Sierra double submarine kit from Testors. The naval Tupolev Tu-22 and the two come-offs are also part of the kit. This model kit released also as diorama/dragon kit. And you can find the same sprues in Italy box too. Well, in this state, the USS Franklin looks more like Churchill's cigar. We have two submarines, an airplane, and two choppers in the box. So let's build a submarine encounter diorama, which could look like a reverse Hunt of the Red October. I hope you guys are familiar with the film. So let's start! This is the point where the fun part begins, because I decided first time in my modular career to use clear resin to represent water. The surface texture I made it by Vallejo water effects gel. This amount of water effects gel dries 2-3 weeks long, but it is not a problem because I'm a slow builder anyway. During the drying time, let's make some upgrades on the come-offs. Dragon makes awesome double kits from aircrafts and from submarines which are met in real life. But I don't have the information that these two submarines are ever confronted in real life. So let's have a little fun and let's imagine a story. Once upon a time, the USS Benjamin Franklin was the newest, most modern submarine in the fleet. The captain and the crew decided to desert, and they are planning to leave everything behind, and they are escape into the old Russia. Because they heard that in the communism is everyone equal, there is no unemployment, and there is no protest for the better life. So Captain McCallum thought that this will be a new paradise for him and the crew. But during the trip something went wrong. A Russian sonar buoy reveals the position of the USS Franklin too soon, and the hunt begins. The USSR Sierra following the trail of the USS Franklin. Ivan Semyonovich Markov, the captain of the Sierra, doesn't recognize the real purpose of the trip. He thinks that the Franklin is on a spy mission, so he calls for aerial reconnaissance. After that, one of the hunter camovs came too close to the USS Franklin, and the submarine comes to the surface and rises one of the ICBM to launch position to scare the camov. Well, this is the scene what you see on my diorama. What is the end of the story? I don't know. You tell me.